welcome back traders, Noah here. Today I'm sharing a powerful 1-minute strategy using only 2 indicators, SuperTrend and Stochastic oscillator. But before we start, please make sure that you have joined my Telegram channel for more market insights and private mentoring. Let's move on to the broker and start trading. So the strategy is pretty easy. All we need is 2 indicators, SuperTrend and Stochastic oscillator, and there they are. All you need to know is for a call trade, you need 2 confirmations happening together. First, the SuperTrend must be showing green and positioned below the price candle. And second, the Stochastic oscillator line must cross upward back above the 20 level. Also, I want to remind you that I trade on pocket option, and if you want to join me, the link with 50% deposit bonus in the description. For a put trade, you also need 2 confirmations aligning. First, SuperTrend indicator must be showing red and positioned above the price candle. And second, the Stochastic oscillator line must cross downward back below the 80 level. Let's trade. So, this is our first deal, and as we see, all conditions are met and we are opening a sell trade. And here is our first profit. Look how easy it is. Now let's move to another trade. We switch to MAD USD pair, and as we see, it's an ideal moment to enter a buy trade. Here we go, another profit. I love this strategy because it's easy and we don't need so much indicators, only 2. Let's move to another pair. Now we are at USD CHF, and guys, you need to watch out. For this strategy, we need pairs with big payouts. Be careful. Let's place a sell trade and we will to see how it goes. So, it first lose for today, no big deal, it happens. We can't know exactly how the market goes, but we can predict it with a maximum accuracy. And now we switch to USD MUR, and here is an ideal situation for a sell trade. Third win for today, we are doing pretty good. Now I think I will increase our trade amount to 100, and we are waiting for the exact moment. I believe it will be happen soon. And here it goes, another sell trade. And the deal closes profitably again. That's our first profitable trade for today. Okay, we switched again to CHF and OK, and I think it will be my last trade for today. So let's open it. And as you see, the last one also closes in profit. So for today we had only 1 loss and 5 profits. I think it's a great result. I surely recommended this strategy for everyone because it's easy, it's profitable, and doesn't require a lot of experience. That's all for now, and that is the entire process from start to the finish. And if you are testing this method, make sure that your indicator settings match those you saw in this video. If you were interested about seeing a strategy in action, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget about my Telegram channel, it will be interesting for both beginners and gurus. See you soon!